2025 is contestant number 10. Take your rightful place as queen. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to contestant number 10. You are the new Miss Shirui 2025. I'd like to request Miss Dorina Remai, former Miss Shirui 2022, to do the honor of crowning her and giving her away the prizes. And I'd like to request Sir Momocha Tarangbam to do the honor of giving her away the flowers. And I request Chanyo's Oral Flame Service Point proprietor Word Chuinan and Shanyo Gasar to do the honor of giving away the gift hampers. Thank you. Thank you to Sir Momochai and Sir Word Chuinan.